Okay, friends, I am Dr. Heena and today for scholarship grade 7, our today's topic is again based on numbers. Yesterday's lecture we had learned about odd even number, prime number, co-prime number, triangular number. Now today we have to learn about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers and rational numbers. Now see, natural number, you all know from 1 to infinity all the numbers are natural numbers. From 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4 up to the infinity all are whole number. Integer means negative positive number, means 0 in the middle, in the left side of 0 -1 -2 -3 up to the infinity, and in the right side of the 0 1 2 3 up to the infinity all are integers. Now rational number are the numbers in which it is written in the form of p upon q, means like factor, but p and q both are the integers where denominator should not be 0, means this p can be negative, this q can be negative, positive, or either negative positive, but not the 0. Okay, so non-zero integer dono non-zero integers can form rational number, and it is written in the form of factors. So whatever operations you were doing on the factors, the same way you can do the operations on rational number. Fraction you can do on the rational number. Sorry, factors no, fractions. Okay. Now there are some properties related to natural number also, and they are very easy. One is the smallest natural number. Largest natural number does not exist because it is infinity. When you add two natural number, you get the natural number as an answer. But when we subtract two natural number, not necessary ki natural number is the answer only, because if we subtract the greater number from smaller number, so we get the answer in negative number, that is on integers. Okay, product of two natural number is always natural number, and when natural number is divided by another natural number, again the natural number is the answer. Okay, now but sometimes when a remainder will be there, then it is non-natural number also. Okay, now regarding to whole number, smallest whole number is 0, again largest whole number is infinity, that does not exist. Okay, now integers, when we talk about integers, we don't give any sign to 0, neither positive nor negative, and -1 is the greatest integer on the negative side, and smallest does not exist, and +1 is the smallest positive integer, but the greatest positive integer does not exist. So -1 is the largest negative integer, and +1 is the smallest positive integer, and the opposite of them does not exist. Okay, now we had learned the operations that are based on integers also, means when we add negative number in addition, we get the answer in negative only. Okay, negative number only. When we add negative and positive number, then the answer sign depends on the number which is greater and the sign of the greater number. Okay, means if positive number is greater, then answer is positive. If negative number is greater, then answer is negative. Because there will be subtraction, not the addition actually. When we subtract negative integer from negative integer, then negative becomes positive, so we have to add there. Again here the sign depends on the sign of the greater number. So these are all the things you know. Negative ka multiplication is always positive, negatives division is always positive, negatives multiplication and negatives division is always negative. Okay, now p and q, p upon q rational number. I told you about the rational number, and we know how to add and subtract the rational numbers, because we had done subtraction, addition, multiplication, division of fractions, okay, in the last class. Now some important properties are there, like see, if place value of any digit in a number is determined by its position, you all know, and the number as unit, tens, hundred, whichever place the digit is, we can determine its place value. Okay, if the digit in the unit and tens place is interchanged, then the difference between the number obtained, means the original number and the new number form, the difference is multiple of 9. Now they had given the example. Now see, 4597 is the given number, and if we interchange the position of 7 and 9, so difference in the digit is 2. Okay, so 2's 9 times is 18. So difference in between 4597 and 4579 is 18 only. You can check after subtraction. Okay, so if we interchange the position of unit place and tens place digit, the difference in the new number and the original number is of multiple of 9 times of the difference of 2 digits. Okay, so in between the digit also we have to find the difference. If the digit is same now, then and we change the unit place, if the same digit occurs in tens place and unit place, okay, then the difference between their place value is 9 times. Now see, here there is no difference in between new number and old number. There is a difference in between their place value. Means see, I have a number 4977. Now this 7 is same at tens place, 7 is same at unit place. So difference in between their place value, means 700 and 7's difference is equal to 9 times the difference in between, difference 9 times the digit, means 63. 9 7s are 63, means whatever digit is there which is common, its 9 times is the difference in between their place value, if the digit is same. If the same digit is at 100 and tens place, then it is 90 times the digit, the place value ka difference. Okay, and see, so understood? Okay, now we'll move further. Now if same digit is at 100 place and unit place, then the difference in the place value is 99 times. And if the same digit is at 1000 place and tens place, then it is 990 times. Now see, we had seen so many things, don't get confused. Now see, if in any number, any given number, okay, first concept we learn is, if another different digits are there at unit and tens place, and if we interchange their position, then difference in between these two digits and difference in between new and old number is 9 times of the difference in between these two digits. This is one thing we learn. Okay, now the digit which is at unit and tens place is same, so difference in their place value is 9 times the digit. Whichever common digit is there in unit and tens place, the difference is 9 times the digit in between the place value. If same digit is at 100 and unit place, then this difference is 99 times of the digit. Whatever common digit is there, so it's 99 times is the difference in between unit and 100 place. Okay. Now if same digit is at 100 and tens place, then difference in between these two place value is 90 times the digit. And if 1000 and 10 place digit is common, so difference in between this 1000 and 10 place digit is 990 times the digit. So these are all the things we learn. Don't get confused. Unit and tens same digit 9 times, unit and 100 same digit 90 times, no, 99 times, sorry, tens and 100 same digit 90 times, and 1010 same digit 990 times. So these 4-5 things we learn, you have to keep in mind, because some tricky sums are based on these things only. Okay, now you all know how to form the greater number, how to form the smaller number. I am not going to explain to you. Okay, now the next one. We will directly solve the practice exercise now. But before moving to practice exercise, I will just tell you one sum which is very interesting. So see, what will be the sum of adding all possible 3-digit numbers formed by 4, 2 and 5 using each digit once. Okay, so we have to make the combinations by taking 4, 2 and 5, and we have to form 3-digit number as much as we can form, and then we have to add. So it will be very lengthy and you have very less time. So what is the trick? So trick is this 4, 2, 5, when we form the combinations of the digit, each digit comes twice at unit place. Same way, twice at tens place, twice at 100 place. Okay, so what we do, we just add them, 4, 2 plus 5, and we multiply it with 2. So it becomes 22. Now 22 is the unit place total. 22 plus 0 means 220 is the tens place ka total, and 22 20 is 100 place total. And you just add them. This is the total of all the combinations. If you want to try, you can try making all the possible combinations, and then you add, your answer will be the same. Okay, means because each digit is repeated twice. Now see, we will form the number like this. 4 we will take at 100 place, then 2, 5. 4 we will take at tens place, then 5, 2. Okay, now 5 will come ahead. So 5 at 100 place, 4, 2, and 5 at 100 place, 2, 4. Now see, if you look carefully, now this 2 will go to 100 place, and 5 and 4 ka position will change. So these are the combinations of number form. Now you can see ki each digit comes at every place 2 times. Okay, and 6 combinations are formed. Okay, so in this way we can add them. The sum of the 6 numbers formed will be like this only. Okay, understood? Now we'll move to practice exercise. Now see, what would be the difference between the place value of the digit at tens and unit place of a number formed by addition of greatest 6-digit number and smallest 3-digit number. Now which is the greatest 6-digit number? It has all 9. And smallest 3-digit number is 100. Okay, now the number newly formed is 10,99,000. Okay, now place value, difference in between place value of digit at tens and unit place. Now see, the digit which is at tens and unit place is same. So the difference in between them is 9 times the digit. So 9 nines are 81. So 81 is your answer. Understood? Okay. What will be the sum of adding all possible 3-digit numbers formed by using these 3 digits, each of the digit only once? Now, just now we had seen like this we can solve. 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 9, 19, and each digit will be repeated how many times? 2 times, so it becomes 38. Okay. Now 38 is the total of unit place, 380 is the total of 100 tens place, and 3800 is the total of 1000 place. So add them. 8 plus 3 11, 1 will be carry forwarded, it becomes 12. 4218 is your answer. Okay. Now which of the following is the smallest 6-digit number having the digit other than 4 and 7? So it is very simple. Smallest 6-digit number you want, you can check from here and you can solve it. It is for homework. By looking at the number only you can find which is the smallest one. Now what will be the sum of adding all possible 4-digit number? Now here we had seen the sum for 3-digit number. In the practice exercise also we had seen the sum for 3-digit number. Now here there are 4 digits. Okay. And they had given us the hint. This hint you keep in mind. When 4-digit number is formed, each digit occurs 6 times. In 3-digit number, each digit occurs 2 times. Here how many times? 6 times. Okay. So add them. 7 plus 9, 16, 16, 17 and 3, 20. 26. How much it become? 120. Okay. Because each digit is repeated how many times? 6 times. Now 4-digit number is there. So 120 for unit place. Now 120 I will write as it is and give 10 for tens place. 120 I will write as it is, give 20 for 100 place. 120 I will write as it is and give 30 for this 1000 place. Now add all of them. 0 plus 0, 0, 2, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2, 3 and 3 and 1. So 13320 is my answer. Okay. So keep in mind when 3-digit number is there, each digit is repeated 2 times. When 4-digit number is there, each digit is repeated 6 times. Formula is same. Now if the number 94534, how many times the place value of unit of the digit 4 on the right to that of the left. Now see, 4 is in the unit place and 4 is in the 1000 place. So how much it is? 1 upon 1000. Okay, because unit place ka value is 1, 1000 place ka value is 4000. 4 upon 4000 is 1 upon 1000. Now here these are the digits in the 1000 and tens place respectively of this number, and you have to find the value of P and Q. It is very easy. Now which digit is at 1000 place? So you take that digit, take this digit and you can find the value of variable. You take this digit and take the digit on the tens place which is 2 and you can find the value of variable. Okay, you will do it. So this is for your homework. Very simple it is. Okay. What is the difference in between place value of the digit 8 in the number? Now see, 8 is the number given to you and we have to find the difference in between place value of these digits. So 8 is at unit place and here 8 is at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,000 place. Okay. So just subtract 80,000 out of 8. So you will get the answer in 79,992. Third number. Okay. No, 1 digit will be less. You can do it. Okay. This one is your answer. 80,000, no? So 79,992. Sorry, not the 7 lakhs. It is 79,000 because 80,000 minus 8. So 79,992. How many times the place value of digit 4 than the digit 2? Now you can do it. I had shown you how to do it. Okay. So you all can do. 20,000 times it will be there. Okay, you can check. Now the next one. One of the following number, which one of the rational number in between minus 5 by 7 and minus 8 by 20 1. Now see, here is one trick. The given number is minus 5 by 7 and minus 8 by 21, and we have to find the number which is in between these two. So what I will do, 7 is in multiple of 21, na? 21 is in multiple of 7. So I will multiply here with 3. Minus 15 upon 21. I had multiplied numerator and denominator with 3. Equivalent fraction I had taken. So minus 8 and minus 21. Now see, denominator is common. Minus 15 and minus 8. So the number in between minus 15 and minus 8 is in between this number. Okay. So minus 13 upon 21 is your answer. Now, which of these rational number is an integer? Now, integer means negative or positive, but complete number, not the decimal form. So, you divide this, you will get the answer as minus 6 by 2, because when 6 is divided with 2, we get the answer as minus 3, which is an integer. Otherwise, here we cannot divide completely. Something remainder will be there. And okay, so in this way, this is also in the form of decimal, 2 upon 4, because it is 0.5. And we want integer, that is Purnanka, means whole number, pura number chahiye. So minus 3 is the correct answer. So minus 6 upon 2 is the answer. Now, if the decimal form of the number is non-terminating and reoccurring, then it is called as rational number. Okay, means answer is not complete and it is shown terminating reoccurring decimal. Non-terminating means जिसका end नहीं होता वो decimal is shown as this slanting line on the non-terminating digit. Okay, so here also in the next question, which of the following is non-terminating recurring decimal number? So option number 1 is the non-terminating recurring decimal number. Okay, now here, which of the following is the greatest integer they had asked? So which is the greatest integer here? Now see, minus 1 upon 2 is not an integer because it is rational number. So in between these three, 0 is not considered as a greatest integer, because we already see ki minus 1 is the greatest negative integer and plus 1 is the greatest positive integer. 0 we didn't consider. So in between minus 66 and 100, which is greater? So when negative number are there, smaller number is greater. So option number 3 is the correct option. Now who is the terminating decimal number here? One which get ended is terminating. So option number 4 is the correct answer. Here also it is continue 55555 here also, and it is shown as the slanting line on its head. Now see, which of the following number should be added to the rational numbers to get the bigger integer next to it? Now we have to find the bigger integer next to it. So we will add 7, because 1 by 7, because it becomes 14 by 7 means 2. So 2 is the greater integer. So we will add 1 by 7 here. Which of the following represents the decimal form of rational number? Non-terminating, reoccurring form is representing the decimal form of rational number. Recurring and non-terminating. Non-recurring नहीं, recurring and non-terminating. Means end नहीं होता and the digit is repeated again and again. Okay, so option number 2 is the correct option. So in this way we learn about the natural number, whole number and rational number, integers. I hope you all understood the concept. Now we have to learn the operations that are based on rational numbers. So I think we will directly take it. some of the points we just learn, and then we'll move ahead. Okay, now see. Okay, if denominator of positive rational number are same. Okay, now see here, 7 by 12, 5 by 12, 1 by 12. Denominator is same. So the rational number whose numerator is greater is the greatest rational number. Okay, if denominator is same and rational numbers are negative, then greater numerator is the smallest rational number and smaller numerator is the greatest rational number, because negative number, the number which is smaller, is greater one. The second condition is numerator of positive rational number are same. The rational number whose smallest denominator is the greatest rational number. If numerator are same and negative rational number is there, so greater denominator is the greatest rational number. If denominator is greater than numerator by 1 or 2 in all rational number, the one with greatest numerator is the greatest one. Now see, what are the conditions we learn? We just revise once and then we'll move to practice exercise. Now see, the rational number, if they are positive and denominator same, so the number whose numerator is greater number. Okay, if the rational number positive, numerator same, denominator which is smaller is greater rational number. If number is negative, denominator same, so numerator which is smaller is greater rational number, and if numerator same, number negative, denominator which is greater rational number. Okay, and if there is a difference of 1, 2 or 3 number in between numerator and denominator is greater than numerator, then the rational number whose numerator is greater is the greatest rational number. Now see here in this question, 11 upon 13, 9 upon 11, 3 by 5. Everyone has a numerator and denominator. The difference is of only 1 or 2 number or 3 number. So the rational number whose numerator is greater is the greater rational number. And this is the smallest rational number. Okay. So these are some terms and conditions regarding rational number. Addition, subtraction you all know because you had done the addition, subtraction of fraction already. Okay. Now we'll directly take the sums. Now see, if the following rational number is written in a descending order, which rational number come in the middle? Now if you see carefully, there is a difference of 1 or 2 number in between the numerator and denominator. So the condition is the rational number whose numerator is greater is the greatest rational number. For descending order, we write the numbers greater first, then smaller, then smaller, then smaller. So this will come first, then second this, and third is this one. And there are 5 numbers, so third position wala number is the middle number. So 13 upon 14 is your answer. Understood? Okay. Can I go ahead? Okay. Now the next one. What is the ascending order of the following rational number? Now see, the numbers are in negative and positive, both sign they have. So you all know positive number is the greatest number. Okay. So 4 upon 17 is anyhow greater than these two. Okay. So when we arrange the number in ascending order, we write first smallest, then middle, and then greatest number. So greatest number will come at the right of the order. So 4 upon 17 at the extreme right is only one option, that is option number 1. So this is your option. Okay. Now I will move ahead. And then there is a difference of 1 or 2 digits. So here numerator, which is greater, -3 or -7, -3 is greater. So -3 is greater than -7/9. So 7/9 is the smallest one, -3/5, then 4/17. Okay. Now the next one. How many times 5/8 should be added to 5/8 so that if the sum is 5? Now see, when the sum will become 5, when we divide this 40 by 8, we get the answer as 5. To get 40 at the numerator, this 5 is added how many times? 8 times. But one time is already given. So how many times you write? 7 times. Again the same thing is there. You have to arrange the rational numbers, and the number which come at third position you have to identify. So this is for your homework. Okay. Now I will solve this one. Now see, in this sum we have to do the operations on rational number. So there is a rule of multiplication and division. Whatever there is in a bracket, you have to solve the bracket first and then you come out of the bracket. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 3 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3, 1 1 cancel, 3 3. Okay. 7 4 ja 28 and 4 2 ja 8. Okay. So what is remain inside the bracket? 9/2 divided by 9/2 means what? 1. Because it is like this, 9/2 multiplied by 2/9. 2 2 9 9 get cancelled. So answer is 1. Okay. Now find the pair of greatest and smallest rational number among the following. Now see, if you look carefully, again the difference is of 1 digit in between numerator and denominator, and all the rational numbers are negative. So which rational number is the greatest rational number here? The rational number whose numerator is smaller, because they are negative. 2. So one number which is greatest is -2/3 and one number which is smallest is 17/18. So option number 4. Rational number arranged in a ascending order, and which rational number come as second last position. You all arrange it and you solve it. I will not going to explain again and again. Okay. Now the next one. Again same thing is there. You have to arrange the rational number in descending order, and last fraction you have to find out. Same thing is repeated, so you can do it. Okay. Now I will take the second exercise. What is the difference in between greatest and smallest rational number given below? इतना ही लेना है. Okay. Now only 4-5 sum we will take from this exercise, and I will give you homework most of the sums. Now see, which is the greatest and smallest rational number given below. Now here what you can do, you have to make their denominator common first. Okay. LCM. Least common multiple you have to find out for all of them, and then you compare their numerator and denominator, and then find out the smallest and greatest rational number. So you can do, so you will do it at home. Okay. Now here 85 is the common denominator, -51 and -102 both have same sign, so we will add them. So it becomes -153 upon 85, and in division with 25 upon -102. So in multiplication 102 upon 25. Now negative both becomes positive. So answer will be in the positive form. Now you divide it. 17/5 and 17 2 से 17 is the common factor here. 17 6 102 and 17 5 85. Okay, and it becomes then addition is there, no? 1 second, I will check. Now this 153 and 25. So they have no common multiple. So 129 should not come under this. How 9 will come? 6 6 6. 153 only, no? 153, 125, 6 6. I have to check this sum. I will explain it after some time. What? Because it cannot be divided. 1 upon 9 तो possible ही नहीं. 17 3s are 51. 17 5s are 85. So again it becomes like this only. You have to add it anyhow. Minus 153. Okay, I will explain after some time. Which of the following numbers should be added to the rational number 22 by 3 to get the greater integer? Again, if you we have to find the greater integer, so you must have to add something which is divisible by 3. So when we add 2 into 22, it becomes 24, and which is divisible by 3. So 2 by 3 is the number which when added to the rational number, we will get the greater integer. Okay, as 8. Now, which number should be subtracted from rational number to get the nearest integer? Again, you have to do the same thing, because you have to find the numerator such as you can divide it with denominator. So 1 by 13 is the correct option. When we subtract 1 by 13 from 40 by 13, then we will get the 39 upon 13, which is divisible. So 3 is the answer. Rational number 5 by 12 is equal to the sum of two rational number. One rational number is given to you, which is minus 3 upon 24. Other we assume as A, and the sum is known to you, which is 5 by 12. So what you have to do, A is equal to 5 by 12. This when here in addition it goes to subtraction. So it becomes minus 3 upon 24. Minus minus plus. So 3 upon 24. Now you can add 5 2s are 10 plus 3 upon 24. So 13 upon 24 is your answer. Okay. Which of the following number is the greatest one? Again the same thing is there. They have common numerator and the numbers are negative. So rational numbers denominator, when numerators are common, and the number is negative, then denominator which is greater or smaller? When the numbers are negative, then the denominator which is smaller is the greater rational number. So I think minus 1 by 2 is the greater. One second. When they are positive, then the denominator which is smaller is greater when positive. So when negative, denominator which is greater is greater. So here 8 is greater denominator. So 1 by 8 is the greatest fraction here. Okay. Now you have to, which of the following rational number between these two rational numbers. So again make their denominator or numerator common and you can find the number in between. So this one is for your homework. And now here also you have to add them. So LCM of 4, 2, 3 you can do, which is 12, and denominator to become 12, multiply the numerator with the respective numbers, add them and then subtract 5 by 12 from that number. You will get your answer. This division is also very simple. And here in the last sum also you have to solve the bracket first and then you solve that -7 upon 7 into -7 in multiplication. So 7 will get cancelled and minus sign becomes positive. So 7 is your answer. Okay. So in this way we learn about the natural number, whole number, rational number and the operations that are based on rational number. So I hope you all understood the topic. We will take a leave here.